gives you mind control, peace. It gives you a feeling of well-being. A hormone is developed that is called endorphin. That is called endorphin. Am I right? Abhi bell baj rahi hai. The sound is so good, It's the sound of universe, right? Am I right? Peaceful. So that is what Anhat Baje Tura. Thode in your mind, there will be an inner music. You will feel happy. You will have no grudges. Listen. So that's what the prayer is. If it is soothing me, when you also having the right pronunciation in your prayers, it will soothe universal vibrations. Ultimately, that is the reason of mass prayers. Single prayer is not that effective. When you do the mass prayers,
relax your heart.
Yes. How's it? So that conditions your mindset. करियर काउंसलिंग में ये नहीं होता कि सर मैंने आईआईटी करनी है, कैसे करूं? गूगल पे पढ़ा है. सर मैंने एम्स में जाना, मैं कैसे जाऊं? गूगल में पढ़ा है. मैंने तो क्या बात करनी है? मैंने वो बात करनी है जो गूगल ने नहीं करनी. हमारे आने के बाद, ये आज के बाद